Hey, Ryan here with Bristol Clean. We're doing a little bit of a restaurant today. Long hose stretch. So as you can see, there's my vac booster. Just get a little extra vacuum here. Crazy suction. Anyway, just wanted to show you this. This is kind of a, I don't know, aesthetically pleasing or, you know, type of video. I'm at a restaurant, and you know, this is an area where they walk in with the food and whatnot, so grease kind of builds up. But just wanted to show you guys how cool this is. All right, let's fire her up. It's just pulling it right out. You have to bear with me because I'm doing this one-handed. I usually need two. But you could see that's what it, you know, that's what it should look like, or that's what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So pretty cool, huh?